In this video, I am going to show you how to run paid ads on Instagram, how to create paid ads on Instagram, how to do paid ads on Instagram. Whichever way you have been searching on YouTube, whichever keyword you might have been searching, you are on the right video, right? And I want you to understand that whichever country you might be watching from, this guide is going to work for you 100%, because by the end of this video you are actually going to be a skillful business owner who knows how to run paid ads or do paid ads or create paid ads on Instagram. So don't forget to hit the like button. My name is Ayatollah. Should in case you have any problem in anything I teach you in this video, please drop a comment, say let's go Mr. Ayo right now, just to keep the motivation going. And you can ask questions right under this video. And should in case you need my one-on-one help, you can decide to call me live on WhatsApp, right? We'll do video call and we'll solve your problem. Now, what are the different ways on how to run paid ads or do paid ads or create paid ads on Instagram? And I'm going to be breaking it down in this video. Do you understand? Before we move right into the main tutorial, which is the practical tutorial. Number one, you can create or run paid ads on Instagram by using the Instagram application. Going right into your Instagram profile, then you are going to click on any post you decide to boost. Click on boost post, create your ad, set your targeting, and you will be able to run paid ads on Instagram using the steps, should in case you have your payment method set correctly. So if you have any problem with your payment method, you can decide to chat me right now. Your payment method must be correct if you want to run paid ads using any of these. Number two, another way to create Instagram paid ads is going to instagram.com using your computer, using your desktop computer. When you go to instagram.com, it's just more like the interface you have on the Instagram application. Do you understand? So more like an advanced and a more broader and wider kind of view from the Instagram application steps itself. So once you go to instagram.com, you go to your profile, you click on the create ads or boost profile, right? Boost content, right? Once you click on it, you follow the same steps you are supposed to follow on your Instagram application. Now, another third way to create paid ads on Instagram is by going to the Facebook Meta Ads Manager itself, using your computer, by navigating into your Facebook account, navigating to the Facebook Ads Manager, and by so doing, you will see the Meta Ads Manager platform. You have to click on the create ad button, create your ad, select the objective, and when you get to the ad set level, you'll be able to link your Instagram profile to your Facebook page right now. Whichever step you might be interested in, if you are interested in running paid ads on Instagram using your phone, click on this video you see right here, right? If you're interested in running paid ads using instagram.com, which is a more broader perspective of this phone, you can click on this one. Then if you're willing to create Instagram ads from the Meta Ads Manager itself, you can click on any video you see below this place, and you'll be able to follow the full guide I have created freely for you, which is more simple than any other guide you can ever find on YouTube.